I have here is a hedge clipper and a pruner, and I'm going to leave this alone, but all this coming down, I got to dig up the canna lily, and I got to cut the snowball bush, cut all the sedum down, and get in there. Time for a lapse. It's grown. But the inside soon. Still got stuff. It's good out. Strawberries coming up. See you on the next one. Lemon, pineapple, pepper, tomato.